Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another GELE tutorial video. So in this video we are going to be making one side pleat and one side fan. Okay, so I have my ashoke here and my pin. So we're just going to dive right into the video. So the first thing you need to do is to fold this part in, so the head will not be showing when you are done tying your GELE. If you have been following my GELE tutorial, this will not be new to you. Okay, so the measurement for this GELE is going to be 60-40. Can you guys see? 60-40. So I'll go ahead and create about 4 pleats. So in one of my GELE tutorial videos, someone asked, why I removed my wig. I think the last video, it might not be the last video at this point, okay? So somebody asked me why I removed my wig, that can't you tie your GELE, while wearing your wig? The answer is yes, you can always tie your GELE while you are wearing wig, but then it depends on the type of wig you are wearing. There are some wig that, your GELE is not going to fit properly on those wigs. Okay, for example, this one, I just want to try it. It might look somehow, okay? So it just depends on the style of GELE you want to tie and also the type of wig you are wearing. If you are wearing like a 360 frontal wig and you can easily pack at the middle, your GELE is going to come out nice. But then if it is a bob wig, your GELE might not come out nice. Okay, so that is one major reason why I don't usually wear wig when I want to tie GELE. But for this video, I just want to show you that you can actually wear your wig and still tie GELE. So this is the third pleat. You can create your pleat on your head, you can create it on your lap, anyhow it is convenient for you. So I'm going to create the last pleat. I want it to be 5. Okay, so after you are done creating your pleat, just arrange the pleat properly. You do the same for the second side. You can see that the wig is not really showing at this point. So what is the essence of wearing wig? It's not really showing, but I'm still going to leave it. So we are going to use this part to form fan and we are going to use this part to form pleat. So at this point, you start creating your pleat. So you continue. So you continue creating your pleat until you are done, until you get to this point. So that is it. You are done creating the pleat. You should extend your pleat to this side. So once you are done with this side, you come back to this side. So you form about 2 or 3 pleats before you start forming your fan. You just place it on top of this one. So let's go ahead and form 2 or 3 pleats. So pleat 1 or 2, pleat 2. So let me form another pleat before I start forming my fan. Okay, so we have 3 pleats now. So right now you start forming your fan. And this is how to form fan. It's not something difficult. So we do another one. So you go ahead, you create another fan until you get to this part. So until you finish. So this is it. I'm going to secure the fan. Secure it so it doesn't scatter. So once you are done securing your fan, you find a way of, you can twist this one, you can twist it, and find a way of securing it so it doesn't show. So you find a way of hiding this part also. You can twist it. Then you come back to this fan and make sure it is properly arranged. So anything that needs final adjustment, just make sure you go ahead and adjust. You add finishing touches to your gele and you are good to go. So if you want your fan to get to the middle here, the only thing you need to do is to increase the ratio of your gele. We are done. You can see the wig is not really adding any beauty to this gele at this point. It's not adding any beauty. So that is the reason why I prefer not to wear wig anytime I want to tie gele. If I push the gele back too much, the wig also will follow. And you'll be seeing my hair, you will not see the wig again. So I don't want to push it back again. So that is one major reason why I don't usually wear wig anytime I want to tie gele. I prefer, just using my cornrow. So guys, we have finally come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't done that already. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.